Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really quick video, I'm going to show you how to make the lemon glaze for our amazing lemon poppy seed loaf. If you want to see the recipe for the lemon poppy seed loaf, I'll put a link to it at the end of this video and also underneath the video in the description box. For our recipe today, we need 1 cup or 140 grams of icing sugar. Icing sugar is also called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. 3 different names, but it's exactly the same sugar. And we'll also need 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of lemon juice. We have our 1 cup or 140 grams of icing sugar. And now simply add in your 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of lemon juice. And what you want to do is stir until completely combined. And that's it for this really simple lemon glaze. Once your cake is almost cool, you can now pour the lemon glaze over the cake and let it set. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.